Alright, what's up guys, my name is Cushshon and this is yet another video. Alright guys, so the video I uploaded yesterday, it doesn't have a thumbnail, like I just didn't have enough time to upload one. But lately a lot of people have been asking me questions like, Derek, why are you making your head so big in your thumbnails? And more importantly, how are you making your head so big in your thumbnails? So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna show y'all. Also guys, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, that's because I uploaded it at like 11:45 p.m. Like just barely making it to that daily mark. I barely made it. But the reason for that was because there are like certain Wi-Fi issues, like sometimes it keep getting booted out or it may restart over again like when I try to upload it. So I mean, this has been happening for the past couple of days. I don't know if you've noticed, but I don't really know how long this is about to keep up. I just gotta wait till someone comes back and fixes the Wi-Fi. So if there isn't a video tomorrow, just know I'm getting the Wi-Fi fixed. But other than that, I'm gonna try to keep getting these things pushed out, keep getting these videos pushed out so that y'all can enjoy them. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, so as y'all probably already know, the last video I put out had to do with potato cannons. So with that being said, I had my mother get these two photographs. First photo being a close-up on my face, and the second one being a wide shot of me holding the potato cannon. So now that we got those shots, all we have to do is put them into Photoshop. Alright, so usually when I open up Photoshop, I have the dimensions set to 1280 by 720 because that's the dimensions of YouTube's thumbnails. After that, I usually drop down one of my photos. This time I'm going to drop down the photo of just my head. Now this one is going to be the one that I use for the big head to make my face, well, to make my head look enlarged. Alright, so now I'm about to isolate my head. I'm going to cut my head out of this photo. So to do that, I'm going to use this selection tool. Okay, so now I'm about to go select mask. So I'm about to use the refine edge to refine the edge of my hair a little better. Alright, so now that I think I got it at a good point, I'm about to go over to hit output 2, new layer with new mask. And I'm going to hit OK. And I'm left with a floating head. Now it's still a bit rough, so I'm about to clean it up with the eraser tool. Alright, so now that I got that done, I'm just going to lock this layer, select the bottom layer, lock that layer. I'm about to drop down the white image. Alright, I think y'all know where I'm going with here. I'm just going to put this to the size that we want it. Alright, I just got to position it to where you can see my head, and my head looks big. But wait, there's more. Now what we have to do, we have to change the proportions of my face. Namely, the eyes. They need to be bigger. So now I'm going to just select this top layer, make sure it's unlocked, and then hit filter, then liquefy. Alright. Now I got to zoom in a bit. Just try to make these eyes as big as I possibly can. Who knows, I might just make my nose smaller. Yo. Bro, I'm gonna make my mouth smaller too. Alright, so now that we're done with that, all we have to do now is just polish it up and make sure we have everything looking as good as possible. So I'm gonna just take a couple steps and just blend everything together real quick to hide any seams, to make it not look as obvious that it's fake. Alright, so now that we got this thing polished up, all we got to do now is add the text. And yes, I added a freaking crown to my head. I was like, you know what? I did call myself the king of potato cannons in that video. So I might as well add a crown. And that's what I did. But tell you the truth, when it comes to adding text, it is the easiest thing you can do. Literally all you got to do, hit T. And then just create a text box. Then you could text. Well, as you can see, mine is already preset to a certain size for thumbnails. Now on yours it may be different, but hey, it is what it is. What can you do? Alright, and there's the thumbnail. Literally as easy as it can be. But tell you the truth, it may be easy, but that doesn't mean it's quick. Usually to make a thumbnail like this, it takes about an hour or so. But hey, it's well worth it, tell you the truth. But before I end off this video, I just want to say, guys, you know that taser I bought in yesterday's video? Well, turns out it's coming one day earlier. So instead of coming on Monday, the taser should show up Sunday. But if y'all want to know why I bought a taser, check out yesterday's video. And with all that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.